welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be doing another back to gist video. I've been so excited for this video. It's been so long since we've been in the kitchen together, guys. I'm excited. I have definitely been dipping back into cooking a lot more foods at home, packing my lunches, especially if I'm going out to work at cafes and such, and just getting more into even just like eco-friendly packing. I feel like I'm really starting to nail down the whole working from home thing, and definitely making my lunch kind of gives me the nostalgia of being in school way back when. But I feel like I'm doing it in a way that, like, back then, if I would have been like, when I'm 25, what kind of lunches will I be packing for work? This is exactly what I pictured. I pictured just the cutest little, like, all things that I actually love, but also looked just aesthetically pleasing. I'm sorry, I had to say it. Basically, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys a bunch of my favorite like meals and snack combinations that are vegan for back to school that are all just like super yummy. And you can also make these for dinners if you don't necessarily need to pack a lunch, but these are very packable. They're very like good on the go. They're very travel friendly. Now, before we jump in, I do want to give a big shout out to Kalyn. So today's video is actually gonna be sponsored by Kalyn. They are a vitamin pack company where you go online, you fill out a 2 to 3 minute survey, and they ask you all kinds of questions about your diet and your lifestyle and your goals, and even just like how much you already know about vitamins and the vitamins you need. I wasn't fully sure whether or not I needed to be taking vitamins. I ended up finding out all of the vitamins that I should be taking, including even just B12 at the end of the day, because I myself am a vegan. And as much as I do definitely think I want to eat my vitamins, there's just certain vitamins that are hard to eat unless you're like eating all different kinds of foods and such variations like every single week, which would be nice, but we're all really busy. It's kind of hard to do that. So it comes in these cute little individual packs that you can like throw in your bag or keep in your bathroom cabinet. They actually say like, "Hi Kalyn." This one has a quote. Today's quote says, my favorite thing is to go where I've never been, by Deanne Arbus. And like I said, there's vitamins in here like vitamin D, which is going to be super helpful, especially leading into the winter and fall months, and B12, and just all kinds of little vitamins that I could be using as a vegan myself. This is my plant-based protein. I ended up getting the vanilla one, and this is perfect for milkshakes. This is perfect for just smoothies, post-workouts, even just if you know that you kind of want like a 3 p.m. snack, but you're not super hungry for anything in particular. Protein shakes I feel like are perfect for that. And we're gonna be making a protein shake in today's video to pack to bring with you guys or with us like on the go for lunch. So also, if you guys just want to check out Kalyn, I'll leave a link to them down below. Just go online, take the 3-minute survey, test it out for yourself, just see how quizzical you can be about it, and all of you guys will be able to also get 25% off your first month. Just make sure you guys go to takecareof.com/Kalyn, and you'll be able to get 25% off your first month and try it out, see if you guys like the little vitamin packs, or maybe you want to try the protein. And it's all customizable to you guys too, so you can decide how many like things you want to get. You don't have to get everything that they recommend. You can even just try one vitamin for every single month and see if that even just makes the slightest difference in giving you more energy and giving you more clarity of mind, and just help your skin, help your nails, help your hair, just help yourself, you know? With that said, now we're gonna jump into all of the lunches. I'm gonna be packing a lunch and a snack for every single day for 5 days of the week. If you guys wanna see more videos like this, just let me know by thumbsing up the video and leaving any requests for any other recipes you might want for back to school or for packing a lunch down below. And aside from that, let's jump into the kitchen, shall we? So before we get started, I'm gonna link the actual Tupperware that I'm using down below. This has been a recent purchase that I found after researching basically how bad it is to eat out of plastic containers. I can leave some information down below. I won't ramble right now, but I actually got this set off of Amazon. It's perfect because it's like you have like a lunch portion and a little snack portion. So for the lunch portion for Monday, I'm gonna go ahead and make some pasta salad. I'm using bow tie pasta, which, fun fact, has been my favorite ever since I was little. And then for my snack, I'm cutting up an orange, and I don't know why, I just have this like obsession with eating oranges and pretzels. It's such a good combo to me. So I'm using oranges and pretzels as my snack for the day, as well as a smoothie, which we'll make with the leftover orange, and then making a just little pasta salad with some tomato sauce, some broccoli, some beans, and it's just like a really easy, healthy vegan lunch. And you can also eat the pasta salad cold. Obviously, I actually kind of prefer it cold, but if you do have a microwave at work or at school, you can warm it up too. And then as for my smoothie, I recently upgraded my blender finally, and I'm just basically putting in the leftover fruit, some frozen vegetables, some cold brew, some like almond milk cold brew, which is amazing by the way, especially in smoothies, a little bit of protein, 2 scoops actually, And then sometimes I'll add like spinach or kale, but today I didn't and just blended it all up. And then I've been putting it into these mason jars that come with a lid and that are completely spill proof. So you can like pack it in your bag and it's not going to spill everywhere. And then you can also get lids too that come with a little hole if you wanted to like switch your lid out when it's time to drink your smoothie, and then pop a little steel straw through and you're ready to go. So I'm really into like one bowl pastas. So I actually just added all of the ingredients into one bowl, added the sauce on top, mixed it all up, and then that was pretty much it. Added a little bit of seasoning like salt and pepper and a little bit of nutritional yeast, which tastes like Parmesan. If you are vegan and you haven't tried it, I highly recommend. Put it into my glass container and then it was good to go. And that is the lunch for Monday. So as for Tuesday, I would highly suggest putting an avocado in the fridge. Don't ask why, but it just tends to last longer, especially if you're using it for a lunch. So then I went ahead and toasted up a piece of bread and took the avocado and cut it up. So it's going to be a little harder to cut because it is cold, but I feel like I don't know why, it just lasts longer. And then I went ahead and put all of the avocado onto the toast, added some grape tomatoes, and then filled in the rest with some pretzels and just like carrots for a snack. And then also topped it with some cilantro as well. And then for my snack, like my snack, I have some dates and then cut up an apple. And another thing about these glass containers, I'm totally not sponsored by the way, I just love them, is that I find they actually keep apples and avocado pretty fresh. So that's a win. Okay, so I'm going to let you guys in on one of my favorite lunches ever. I've been buying this marinated tempeh and then just roasting it up and putting it on a sandwich with a little bit of hummus, some greens. If I do have like sliced tomato, I'll slice it up. Add up any toppings I'm really feeling. Like sprouts are also really good, and pickles, don't ask. I am like a really weird person when it comes to food, but making a little tempeh sandwich, it kind of tastes like bacon. Super yummy. And then on the side, I just put some hummus and some veggies and some grapes. And it's just like an easy go-to classic sandwich lunch. And then for Thursday, so this is super interesting. You guys can use any sauce you want. Again, I have a weird taste in food, so I'm adding mustard and hummus to make these vegan turkey slices stick. And then I'm adding collard greens because they can actually like roll up, and then literally just rolling it up like a sushi roll and then cutting it. So this is like a really easy way to kind of like put a spin on a wrap or a sandwich, and it's like funner to eat, and it also is just delicious. So I went ahead and made my own little vegan turkey sushi roll, added some apples in on the side. And then in terms of a snack, this is something you're gonna wanna do the night before too, but go ahead and take half a banana and then mash it up. You're gonna wanna add a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit or 3 tablespoons of chia seeds, and then I think it was like 3/4 of almond milk, but just in case, I'll put the recipe down below. And then mash that all up and put it into a container overnight. So I used the second half of the banana to slice it up and then put like a layer in between so that there was a little banana surprise when I went to go eat it. But again, that's totally optional, and you can do a bunch of different ways like to make chia seed pudding, but this is just like my favorite way. I'm a big fan of banana cinnamon. And then I added some sliced almonds, and overnight it'll turn into an actual pudding that you can eat the next day. And then as for Friday, this was my favorite lunch that I made, but I went ahead and took some zucchinis as well as some pieces of tofu and some panko crust. So this is basically like breading, and then a little bit of olive oil is all you need to basically get the breading to stick enough that when you fry it up, it's like kind of more golden and crispy. And then I went ahead and used the same taco wraps from before and cut one in half and made little like battered tofu and zucchini tacos, which was also just super freaking delicious. So another thing you can do too is take the actual wrap itself, cut it up into little triangles, put a little bit of pink Himalayan salt, pop it in the oven on broil, and then just watch it for a few minutes and they will crisp up into little chips too. So then once your tacos are done, you can actually put the chips on the side and add a little bit of extra guacamole or maybe a little bit of extra salsa, and you have tacos and chips. So that is it for my 5 back to school, work, wherever you go, healthy vegan lunches and snacks. Let me know if you guys want more recipes like this, because I definitely have some more faves that I love to pack up, and I'm happy to make more videos like this. Should we bring back meal prep Mondays? I don't know. Aside from that, I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to tag me if you guys decide to recreate any of the recipes, and I'll talk to all of you guys in the next Back to Gist video. Bye guys.